today's tip of the day, we're actually going to be talking about the different types of tongs and their uses and actually what they can be made out of. You can purchase tongs. They can range anywhere from $5 up to $100. But a true blacksmith, naturally, we're trying to show the craft of the true blacksmith making his own tools. So Jason's going to give us an introduction of the different types of tongs and what they're made of.
All right, I'm going to go over about how these tongs, how they work, and their different uses. This is a pair of flat-jawed tongs. They do have an insert here in the center that goes up to the middle. It's a diamond-shaped insert. You can take a piece of square stock, hold it like that with those inserts in there, or you can use these to hold a piece of flat stock in any way you want to. These are small tongs. They're real handy for using on small pieces. I've got another pair here with a little bit wider insert in it. The jaws are formed around a piece to hold either a piece of square stock or flat, or even a piece of round. You can hold a piece of round about like that. A lot of these flat-jawed tongs are pretty much the same. They have different size inserts, and of course they're different lengths and different sizes for grabbing and holding various different sizes of steel. I have these right here. They got a small indenture in it where you can hold your steel. If you got something that you really want to crimp down on, you can hold it like that. Or if you want to, if you're having to hold on to a piece and you're having to hold it sideways, you can grab it like that, and it'll move, but it won't swing around on you. So if you're having to hold a piece at a different angle on your anvil, you can hold them like that. Alright. This is another pair of tongs right here. They have large jaws on them. And they also have a triangle-shaped indenture. They're for holding larger square stock, probably about 3/4 inch or 3/4 to 1/2 inch size stock. And I have 3 different pairs of tongs here that have wide open jaws. What that is for is if you have a piece that has a curve or something in it, such as this right here, you can take that piece and hold it, and that curve will come out in those jaws. Or, like on these right here, if you got something with a large head, you can stick that head inside there and hold them like that. They're real good for holding round or square stock. Same thing here. All right. So as you can see, there's various and different sizes and shapes of tongs. A typical blacksmith will have anywhere from 20 or more pairs of tongs. As the shows progress, we'll be making our own tongs, and we'll be showing you how that's done. This has been your tip for the day. Thanks for joining us.